Hello, and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. On the Ethereum chart, not much going on there. I mean, the price could still follow the white count, could follow the red count. We talk about the short-term bullish and short-term bearish scenarios in this video, but yesterday's rally that we've seen across the crypto sector hasn't really done much to ETH. It just hasn't done much to ETH. You can see that this is obviously a pullback labeled as a WXY correction. The Y wave is probably still unfolding, at least as per the white count, because the Y wave looks unfinished. Of course, it can take a reversal here. We talked about that, but I need some signals. All I can share with you, as we are in this support area, which is highlighted in orange, this is the support region between 2668 and 2896. It's a pivot. So here the market can decide to take a turnaround. You see several reactions already to that support area, okay? And what we need to see is a break above the initial resistance level to indicate that, something more bullish is going on and not the white count. The red count is the direct bullish path, but it needs to prove itself. Let's talk about the bearish count first, short-term bearish, because essentially I'm not expecting ETH to be finished with this bull market. I still expect higher prices, but possibly we need to go down a little more, maybe another $500. Down to around about 2,500 to complete this entire correction. I mean, from the lows of last week or so, it's only like $200-300 down. So we've already recovered a little bit, but as you can see on this chart, the recovery is not really in any way substantial. So there are not any new insights, and the wave count, the scenarios and the projections have remained really stable on the ETH chart, but mainly due to a lack of movement. And there is a resistance area if in the white count, in which we are dealing with the ABC structure to the downside, we have an A wave down, B wave rally, and this could be a C wave down. Absolutely possible. What's also possible, by the way, that's just something to explore, is that this B wave is unfolding as a triangle. And we should see a reaction to the current price region either way in the white count, okay? So that would be wave, for example, if the B wave topped here, or we can call the B wave topped here. That's a bit ambiguous, but all are possible. Is it so important? Not really. I mean, I focus on this count in which we have a 1-2, just because this looks like a 5-wave move down. So a wave 1, wave 2, and another 1-2. Then we would now come down quite rapidly in the third wave. This is the preferred count, not because I prefer it personally, but because it looks just, I mean, again, we have a downtrend from the March highs, and the market needs to give me some signals, okay, that the correction is over. Situation would be different because we have moved down in 3 waves. I mean, I'd be happy with that move to the downside. The problem is the rally afterwards hasn't been impulsive or anything, right? So it was rather a corrective rally, and therefore I cannot confirm a low in place until I get a bit more evidence. All I can share with you at the moment that, of course, a reversal from here is possible. The correction has been long enough, deep enough. We've done enough in this correction to consider it complete. But what we need to see after we have technically the waves complete in the correction, we need to see some kind of a 5-wave move up or anything. But this here is just a corrective rally, and then this all corrective mess. So the only way that Ether could turn around here, and we have arrived at a pivot, okay, so it's possible, but we need to hold the 1st of May low, which is around 2,820, and the price needs to break above initial resistance at the very least, and that's $3,141. And against that level, the downside pressure remains high, and the price could then, in a third wave, reach the area around 2,500, which is here the 1.38 Fibonacci extension. If the red count plays out, this would be, as I said, our 5-wave diagonal to the upside. I will take that more seriously, above 3,141. We should see a 5-wave move in wave C, possibly targeting the 100% extension of the red A wave, and that would be around, just that you have a bit of a level to watch there, 3,267. Maybe a little higher, 3,372, 3,438. We can actually leave that on the chart as additional target to watch. So make that a bit smaller. And this would be sort of, if we break above initial resistance, this would be the initial area, so initial C wave target, red count. Yeah? This is sort of the initial C wave target for the red count. I would increase that a bit further because I will explain in a minute, to the 1.618 extension, which is a common C wave target as well. But if I take the initial wave 1 and compare with the wave 2, then what we normally want is that a third wave reaches the 1.38 extension, and that's at 3,530, which very much aligns here with the 1.618 extension for the A wave. So probably rather the higher end. But yeah, that's what I'm watching. It first needs to prove itself first. And down here, this is sort of the target zone for the white count. Targets. So yeah, that's sort of what I'm watching at the moment. And there is really, we're just caught in the range. Again, there is no new insights are here to be found on this chart, unfortunately. So downside pressure remains high against initial resistance, and the white counter will be confirmed further with a break below 2,820. No change from yesterday, therefore. So that's my update about Ether. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.